So, yeah, this one just like kind of falls apart in your finger. And the seeds are those little teeny white dots on the ends of the brown sepals. Yeah. Cool. Again, that's another one that will like harvest a whole bunch of seed heads for us. Yeah. Cool.